How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to MojoGrip. Mike here. As you see, November 661 Mike Golf MojoSling is out, and we're getting ready for the first engine start. Right now, what they're checking for are leaks. So we fueled up the airplane, and we're gonna jump start it shortly. And I want you guys to see this very important moment. As you see, we're gonna close the cowl window shortly, and we'll jump in and see how this thing starts up. Okay, so right now, checking for any leaks. So gassed up the plane, turned the fuel pump on, and then we got some droplets, which we're working on right now to tighten it up. Same spot?
No. Nope. No, if we fix something, we fix it. It seems like there's another small leak from another junction.
Uh-oh, that's another...
So actually what we're doing, Mike, is we want to give you value for money. So we're trying to make this into a series. You know, what will be without a little bit of drama?
This isn't drama. No one's yelling or cursing or throwing anything.
The fuel system. Gotta make sure there are no leaks.
I can start screaming and shouting, and I can start calling tech and jet.
Who built this?
Funny. Anyway, guys, so make sure that we're gonna make sure that the leaks are fixed. Well, mainly Jean. And once he tightens that up, we'll test again and turn the fuel pump on. And hopefully everything looks dry and we don't see any more leaks, and we'll be able to start this thing soon. I'm excited. You can see right now how late it is out here. So we've been here early since morning, but we're gonna go out with a celebration, so stay tuned. So back on, guys. This was literally the issue. These clamps were what was originally on it, and we had some leaks here. Right here, you see Nate over there checking for more. So they're switching tanks right now to check both. And you can hear the fuel pump on, and all of this is now dry. But you see, we changed to better clamps. Stay away from these. But it looks dry. It looks like we should be able to start this thing finally. It looks beautiful, man. Do you see any other leaks somewhere? The engine looks good.
Good?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Please don't start it yet.
Okay. There's no leaks. Let's put that cowling on. It's rock and roll, baby.
This is the day we've been waiting for.
Yep.
Let's do this.
So we don't have
some. We don't have any lighting.
we don't have those lights in. Right. Let's do this.
Good. Bueno, master on.
Okay, master on. Boom. Let's go back up in Avionics. So I tell you what, this is the only problem. Yeah, let's try. I've switched to GT at 650. Okay, that's good. That's excellent. Okay. Does the let's stay on if we Yeah, let's leave it like that.
Okay.
And then when that's up. So Mike, are you rolling? Are you?
Yeah, we're
okay,
rolling.
cool. So continue. This is a big moment, Mike. Okay, what we want to see now is just quickly fuel pressure. So we've got our ECU backup on. Switch on the 2 lanes. I just want to see that we're getting engine info, which we should do. That should start giving us engine info. Why are we not getting engine info?
That one came off. That's good. So I want to
reset that lane A. That's funny because they were both setting today. Okay, go for it. It goes dim.
Yeah.
Okay. Switch on one pump. Is there one? Yeah. No, this one. No, those there.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, we're not getting. So there's a problem because we're not getting all our.
Right, I think it has to do with this as well.
What?
Yeah, the wire.
Yeah. Okay, you want to shut down that again, the fuel pressure. Shut it down and shut down the 2 lanes. Let's quickly look why we're not getting that.
Okay.
I'm going to quickly get us the. We'll have to look at it. You don't want to start without getting the oil. See, if we don't get our oil pressures and that, it's a problem.
Okay.
Let me just get back. It's quite funny because it was working. E3 for some reason, only put 3. I don't know why. Okay. This thing is.
You could kind of sit it on.
Yeah, just be careful to stick there. We're on backup power, so we. I don't know why. Why is this thing? Oh, just that's well designed. It's on backup power. We had a. He was saying he thought the plug isn't in, but.
What is that black plug that's by itself?
Where?
Is that a plug by itself right there?
This. Oh, that's for downloading data. So, whoops. You're gonna put this well out of the way. Yeah, there you go.
Hold on, it's gonna slip off.
Got it. One only thing about the shell is a conveyor. There's no plugs out there. CAN bus, what other CAN bus is open? There's no.
I mean, everything may be plugged in, maybe something is plugged into the wrong thing.
Well, you see, it was all working.
All of this is
correct, yeah. The same in that unit. Let's put it in again and switch it on.
Maybe do you want to try taking the socket on and off?
These things are good. Let's quickly see. Let's use the backup power. Yeah, backup power. So your EFIS backup is a separate battery completely. See, it's powering up the instruments. So, in other words, if you were gliding, you would be able to have this.
Okay.
And if this doesn't work, you'd have that. That's not on at the moment.
Didn't we walk through this once? You had to put both lanes on or something?
Yeah, so I had them on Nana and didn't go to get that.
Right.
So to get the radio to go X out there, let's put that on. Reboots. So normally you would do that. Hopefully it works now. You do that and you put the ethers back up on, and then it everything starts reading. So there is, yeah, hit it. Arrows not receiving magnetometer data. Arrows back. Maybe the magnetometer is unplugged. Ooh.
That affects
Yes.
the engine.
Well, it
See
affects.
something.
So,
So you're getting something over here. Engine interface using back.
Let me go see if the magnetometer for some reason is unplugged.
Yeah, whatever we did with the trim back there, maybe.
No, not there.
Not that?
The magnetometer is halfway down the fuselage.
Sorry.
I'll trade you for the light.
Okay. Appreciate it. Is my oh, never mind. I'm on now.
Hey,
Yep.
you got it.
I got it. It's on. Yep. Yeah, we're in business.
It's on.
Uh-oh. The GTN 650 is flashing.
It's a low battery
Is it?
on the backup.
Okay.
Well, that's just weird that it did that. That's voltage. That's power, low power. Okay. I wish this Jeep, I can't switch this 650 off. I don't know why. It's just so stupid. Okay, backup is on.
Okay.
So volts 11. I don't think we're going to stop it. Let's try. Okay, let's just
You
try.
got it. All right.
But I think it's going to be too low a power. Let's switch that off.
How many
Okay.
volts we need?
So,
All the engine gauges stopped.
because it's putting 10 amps.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
So what I don't understand why is that they put the backup going to this for this. Okay, let's just try it. Okay, try. Is this where are the screws?
I'll put it back on.
I'm just gonna put
Yeah.
two in. You wanna pop that in there? Pop one in there. Okay, there we go. Let's do that. Okay, prop clear.
Ready?
I hope so.
Does the prop needs to be on?
No, I wanna, you clear the prop, you're happy there?
I'm fine.
Okay, let's try, just hit that a few times until we get oil pressure.
Keep hitting it until it goes.
No, we need to do that. Okay, and that should give us. Okay, hit it.
Hit it now.
Yeah. That. It's no battery's flat. Okay.
We
So-
did all that to get to the finish line. God damn it.
So we can do one of two things. We can invest some more time and charge the battery, put the jumper on, or we can say let's start clean tomorrow.
Yeah, it's late. I don't want to keep y'all.